Hello people, and welcome to this tutorial, and today I'll be showing you how to back up your website from a local host and upload on a live server. Now this can come in very handy when you want to transfer your website from one web hosting company to another, or you want to transfer your website from a local host where you designed on your computer and transfer it to a live server. Today I'll be showing you how to do this the very easy way using a free software, and at the end of the day this is just going to be a walkover for you. This is a Primer Tutor tutorial and I'll be your host. I am Don John. This is a website I am designing on my computer using Localhost. So you can see here localhost-primer and the rest of the names. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to install a software and use it to back up the contents of this website. To do this, I'll simply go to plugins and go to add new plugins. Under add new plugins, I'll search for all-in-one WP migration. This is not the one I'm looking for. The one I'm looking for is here, all-in-one WP migration. So I'm going to go straight up and install it. The plugin has installed, so I'll simply head over to installed plugin, and there I'll come and activate this all-in-one WP migration plugin. Now I've clicked on the activate button and it is activated. So if I scroll down here over these tools, I'll see the link here, and pointing to it I'll see these other things I can do with it. So let me simply click on the all-in-one WP migration here, and this is the page I'm going to use to back up my server. I'll come to this export tool, click on this three dash. You can see file, FTP, and every other option here. If you have a Google Drive, you can simply click on this and upload to Google Drive, because I'll be doing this to file where I can download it to my computer. So I'll click on file and you can see the exporting process has started. It's saying here preparing to export. So I'll just hold on, and when this is done I'll come back and click on download. Guys, it is done, and you can see here download Localhost. The size is 164 megabytes. I'll go ahead and click on this button. This is it. It has downloaded successfully into my computer. So let me check the folder, and you can see it here where it has downloaded to. The next thing I want to do is that I want to head over to my live server and install the same plugin where I will use to upload that file. Let me do that. This is my live server, and you can see the name ttstyles.com, and this is the back end of my WordPress. What I want to do now is to install the same software, but I'm not going to install that very version. So I'm going to install an earlier version that will allow me to upload large files. So what happened was that the developer started monetizing, and then they put some limitations to the newer version, but the old one still work, and I'll leave a link in the description section where you can download the old version that I'm going to use right now. Before I can do this, I need to reset this website, because as you can see this is an existing website, and if I go here and go to visit site, you'll see there is a site that is active. But I want to reset this website now and then upload the one that we have just downloaded. You can see here what it looks like. Though the site is not completed, but I have to reset it so that it will be okay for me to upload the new website. So to reset, I'll simply go over to plugins and go to add new. Under add new, I will search for WP reset. So this is it. I'm going to click on install. After installing, I'll click on activate. Now the plugin has been successfully activated. I'll scroll down here where I can see the plugin WP reset, and I will open these WP reset tools. I'll click on this link for it to open. So here we are, and it's telling us to pay some money for all these premium tools, but we don't want to pay anything, so I'll just click on a free space here and it will take me inside. Now inside here, I'll just scroll down. I'll scroll down to where I can see site reset. You can see here there's no pro anything. All these ones, they have the pro tool, but here is just the free one. You can see the options: reactivate current theme, reactivate all my active plugins. I don't want to do any of that. The only one that is checked is reactivate WP reset plugin. That is this particular plugin we are using. So what I'll do next is to type in reset here, and then I'll click on this red button that says reset site. I'll confirm. So it's now wiping the entire site. Remember, this is a live site that I was designing for a client, but I want to use it for this tutorial so that I can show you how you can upload your website, or you can transfer from another web host to a different one. Now the process is done, and you can see my WordPress is as good as new. So now I'll go ahead and install the plugin I told you about, which is all-in-one WP migration, and this is how I'm going to go about it. I'll go to plugin, I'll go to add new and click on it. Instead of searching here, I'll just go ahead and upload the plugin from where I downloaded it. Remember, I told you that the latest version will not be able to upload large file sizes. So I'll come to upload plugin, I'll click on choose file, and then I'll locate this file in my computer where it is. It's in download, and you can see here all-in-one migration plugin. This is version 6.7. It's an earlier version. I'll select it, open, and click on install now. Now I'll leave a link in the description section for you to download this particular version so that you can use it and upload your file. You can see it has finished installing, so I'll click on activating. So guys, we have come this far. I'd just like to urge you, if you have gotten any value so far, kindly subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button and also on the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications for my new tutorials, and I'll be dropping new tutorials every 2 days. Also, we have a community where we help each other to grow in business faster, where we share ideas, we help each other to grow. I'll leave the link to all our pages and our groups down in the description section. Go ahead and check them out, and you can easily join any of them you want. So let's proceed. I'll come over to where I have all-in-one WP migration, and I'll come to import. I'll click on import, and here you can see import from. I'll click on these 3 dash, and then I'll select file. Remember, if you exported your own to Google Drive, you simply click on Google Drive and then you locate the file in your Google Drive. But I'll click on file. It will take me to where I'm going to locate the file I downloaded. This is the file. I'm just going to click on this and I'll click on open, so you can see the upload process have started. So let's wait a while, and you can see this status is changing. It's now 1.84%. Now I'd like to advise you that you should have a fast internet, or you make sure you have enough data to upload this, because you have to wait for it to go all the way to 100%. You can see it's increasing. So I'll pause this video now and wait until when it is done, and then we'll come back to it. The upload process is complete, and you can see this information that you are getting here. It says the import process will override your website, including the database, media, plugins, and themes. Please ensure that you have a backup of your data before proceeding to the next step. And let me mention here that I did back up this website, so I did that earlier in case I want to restore it to the state it was. And you already know how to back up. Using the same plugin, you can back up your entire website and keep it in a safe place. So I'll hit on proceed because I want to proceed with this, and you have this information here. Please do not close this browser window or your import will fail. Alright, so this is what we are seeing here. Your data has been imported successfully. you need to perform two more steps. One, you must save your permalink structure twice. Okay, so we are going to save our permalink structure twice, and then secondly, we are saying optionally review the plugin. Alright, so we have successfully imported our website. So I'm going to, let me just head to the permalink settings, and it says update WordPress database. I'll go ahead and click on that and click on continue, and now it needs for me to log in once again. Okay, let me just let you know this. The login information you are going to use will be the same login information you use when you were designing the website on your local host. Understand that you have uploaded everything that you designed up here, and so your WordPress login will also change to that very login. So I've just logged in my own with the same information I used while designing it on localhost, and here it's telling me to do all of this. I don't want. I'll just click here, go to sexy property. So this is the website, and as you can see, it is different from the one I just showed you. Look at the URL here, it's for a different person. Now look at the property. This is a property listing website that I just designed, and this, you can see how everything is looking so beautiful. We have successfully uploaded it. Alright, so let's go over and do the permalinks like we were told to. So I'll head over to dashboard, and in my dashboard I'll head to settings. I'll go straight to permalinks, and then I'll change this. I'll change this to post name, and then I'll save changes. Okay, and then I'll come back and save changes. So that is it, guys. We have successfully migrated our website either from localhost to your live server or from a different web hosting company to another one, and you have seen how easy this is. So just check in the description link so that you can get the all-in-one WP migration link for the earlier version that you'll be able to use to upload any size. You can also check out another of our video which I took time to explain how you can increase your maximum upload file size. Let me just show you an example. So if you come to media and you come to add new media, here you notice that there's a file size limit, but you can see here that our maximum file size is 512, and that is why we have been able to upload a large file size of our website. So if your own is showing 80 megabyte or 10 megabyte or 8 megabyte or 14 megabytes, you won't be able to upload it except you increase this. So we have that video, and I'll be leaving the link in the description section. So guys, if you have gotten any value, subscribe to this channel and also join any of our communities, because this is the only way that we can grow together. We'll share knowledge, we'll share resources, and we'll build our business and monetize faster. Thank you for your time. I'll see you in the next one.